In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Facebook Marketplace. If you need to cancel a purchase or a sale, Facebook Marketplace gives you a way to do that directly from your account, as long as the order is still eligible for cancellation. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the process for both buyers and sellers so you can quickly find the right option for your situation. Let's start with canceling an order as a buyer. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to the Facebook website in your browser. Once you're signed in, tap or click on the Marketplace icon. From there, look for your profile icon and open it. This is where you can access your Marketplace activity and account-related options. Next, go to your orders or purchase history, depending on the version of Facebook you're using. The wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the section that shows the items you've purchased. Open the specific order that you want to cancel. If the order has not been shipped yet, you should see the option to cancel it. Select Cancel Order, then choose a reason for the cancellation if Facebook asks you to provide one. After that, confirm the cancellation to complete the process. One important thing to keep in mind is that timing matters. If the seller has already shipped the item, the cancellation option may no longer be available. If that happens, you'll need to contact the seller directly through Facebook Marketplace to discuss what options are still possible. Now let's go over how to cancel an order as a seller. Start by opening Facebook Marketplace. Then tap or click your profile icon to get to your seller tools and account options. From there, go to your sales or orders. Again, the exact label may be a little different depending on your device or app version. Find and select the order you want to cancel. Once the order details open, choose Cancel Order. Facebook may ask you to select a reason for the cancellation, so choose the option that best matches your situation. Then confirm your decision to finalize the cancellation. When you're doing this as a seller, it's a good idea to review the order carefully before confirming, since cancellation affects the buyer's purchase and may also impact the overall transaction process. And that's how to cancel an order on Facebook Marketplace, whether you're the buyer or the seller. Just remember to check the order status first, since unshipped orders are usually the easiest to cancel.